When I feel unhappy, I will do two things. I will run and study. Running makes me be full of energy. Studying can enrich myself. When I look back the day, it's very productive and valuable. I will be happy. Maybe I have ever experienced a dark night, but when people ask me, I will inform them that was all over the sky stars. It means I'm not deliberately beautifying life. I say it like this, aiming to remind myself not to be in trouble. A skill of rising superior to bad emotions is the highest skill. Be a person who always keep good mind. Do more things in good times. Read more books in adversity. Books and knowledge are your permanent friends. Be positive energy.